Hello viewers, and welcome again in another video about your health in Mind and Body Complementary Health Clinic channel. You must have seen the title of this video, and it's about lipomas. Now, what lipomas are? First of all, I'm going to share you some pictures. I'm going to show you some pictures so you know that what condition I'm talking about, and then we'll see what are the causes and how you can improve this condition if you suffer from this problem with some natural and holistic remedies. So this is how a lipoma looks like. So it is an abnormal growth anywhere in your body. Can you see another picture? Somebody, he's got multiple lipomas on his tummy, on the abdominal area. And also another picture, somebody's got a lipoma on his or her hand as well. So basically lipomas are small abnormal growths under your skin, and they are mostly accumulation of or deposition of fats or lipids. As from the name it's clear, it is called lipoma. So accumulation of lipids, which are fats, they can cause these kind of growths, which are usually painless. They are very much soft to touch, and normally they are not very serious concern because these are non-cancerous or benign tumors. But sometimes they get quite big and quite large as well, and they can be very painful as well because they can start compressing the nerves around surrounding areas, and they can cause pain as well. As I've said, lipomas can grow anywhere on the body. It can be mostly you can see them on your forehead. It can also grow around your back of the neck, under your arms, on the chest, on your arms. So it can grow anywhere, and they could be of different sizes as well. Normally when you ask for conventional treatment from your local doctor, GP, so mostly they say it's not something very serious and they don't offer any treatment. But sometimes if it is too much painful or it's a major concern, they go for surgical removal of lipomas. But according to holistic health, that is not the long-term solution, because we have to see the cause behind them, that what was the main cause behind having these kind of lipomas. So one of the major causes, as I've said, is the abnormal lipid deposition in your body. And the reason behind that is that your metabolic system of fat distribution is disturbed. So when you take any fried food, oily stuff, it is not properly metabolized. It is not equally distributed in the body to give you the nutritional benefits of that fat or that protein, but it can get deposited in the body, and that turns into a lipoma. Another cause for this condition could be inherited or genetic, so it can run in the family as well. And also people who have very poor diet which is not very much good in nutrition, but it contains a lot of junk and some kind of junks which are also very harmful for your body. And also these people they have very lazy or sedentary lifestyle, so they have a great tendency of developing these conditions. And also they have a great risk of cardiovascular diseases in future, because as I've said these are fatty deposits, and they can cause issues in your coronary arteries. They can get clogged, and this can cause blockage in your coronary arteries, the arteries which supply blood to your heart. And also it can also cause high cholesterol levels in the body as well. So people who suffer from, or they see these kind of abnormal growths which are lipomas, definitely they need them properly addressed and treated on time. Otherwise they can see risks of cardiovascular diseases in future as well. Also people who are a bit obese or overweight, people with diabetes, people who are exposed to a lot of toxins or radiation, or people who are taking a lot of insulin injections or corticosteroids, they also have a great tendency of that as well. And also if your hormonal system or endocrine system is disturbed, also you are at high risk of having this condition in future as well. So dear viewers, that if you see any abnormal growth on the body, any kind of tumor, and if you're concerned, you must see your local doctor so they can properly assess and diagnose. If needed, they can go for biopsy just to make sure that it is not something of great concern or cancerous. Now at the end, I'm going to suggest some holistic remedies, because as a holistic consultant we have to see the cause behind any condition, and then we also see the peculiar or exact sign and symptoms. So there are top 3 homeopathic remedies which can help improve your metabolic system, which can prevent further growths of lipomas. And also if you take those remedies for a few months, you will see that there will be reduction in size, and also your general cholesterol levels will get better as well. Also if you suffer from obesity or being overweight, these remedies can help in those conditions in certain level as well. So the top 3 homeopathic remedies which can be helpful for lipomas are: number 1, it is called Barita carbonicum. So ask your local pharmacist to give you this remedy as in either 30 or 200 potency. The next remedy which will assist this medicine, Barita carb, is called Lepis albus, and you should also consider this remedy as in either 30 or 200 potency. Please make sure not to take drops directly on the tongue. Rather, ask your pharmacist to make pills, granules, and you can take about 4 pills up to 3 or 2 times a day directly on your tongue, and they will simply melt, and you will get the benefits of homeopathic remedies directly taking these sweet pills. So take Barita carb and Leptis albus at least 2 or 3 times a day. Another great remedy which is usually considered for any kind of abnormal growths, including fibromas, lipomas, even cancerous growths in the body or various kind of tumors, and the leading remedy which is we normally prescribe to all our patients for such condition is called Thuja. So take this remedy as in 200 potency once a day. So Barita carb and Leptis albus you can take up to 3 times a day maximum, and Thuja once daily. And please try them at least for a month and see if you feel any good. If you feel improvement, please continue with this same strategy for another 3 to 4 months, so that you can get complete recovery from this problem, and you can also see reduction in their sizes and your general metabolism of your body, especially the fat metabolism. You'll see improvement in that as well. And as I've said, this video is to give you some basic information, knowledge. Try to avoid self-medication. If you have some local homeopath, make sure to speak to him about these remedies as well, and probably they will change your remedies according to any other peculiar cause or concern you may have. Also, speak to a GP before you make any major changes in your lifestyle or any medication as well. If you need any further help, if you want direct consultation from me, you can always contact me through my number provided, and I also offer an online camera consultation, and I will probably give you some more specific remedies as per your conditions as well. So thank you very much. I hope that this video would have given you some basic insight about lipomas. If you like it, please share among your contacts, and also press the bell icon for future videos as well. So thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye, and please avoid self-medication, and definitely speak to your doctor for any further help. Bye-bye.